This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Monday, August 19th of 2013. Well, we got a few things we got to think about for hazardous weather for the next 7 days. First of all, a potential isolated storm roaming across eastern upper Michigan for this afternoon and evening. No severe weather is expected with anything that fires during this time. Again, another chance for thunderstorms arrives for all of northern Michigan in the Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning time frame. Again, as it looks right now, severe weather is not expected with any activity. And then also, now we have some elevated fire danger concerns, and that's mainly in northern lower Michigan for Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons. That's going to be due to some very warm temperatures and gusty winds. And we'll take a look at that here in just a second, but first, looking at the current weather map, we still have high pressure across the southern Great Lakes region. Now that high pressure is moving slowly south and east. In the meantime, upstream, we're looking at a few weak areas of low pressure and a frontal boundary that was draped across the Dakotas and parts of northern Minnesota and into Ontario, Canada. As we step ahead to Tuesday morning, that high pressure still kind of sinks a little bit further southeast, and the front is upstream of us with an area of low pressure moving through North Dakota. We remain locked in a southwesterly type flow regime with even warmer air continuing to inch its way into northern Michigan. Now, not much changes by Wednesday morning, although that front will start to work into the western Great Lakes region. We're still going to be under a warm southerly flow, and this is the time frame when we're going to expect some of that elevated fire danger because the air mass is still quite dry, and those warm temperatures and gusty winds are going to create the elevated fire danger that we're going to see. Now that front will eventually get into us here. Here's Thursday morning. And all along this front, we do have that chance for thunderstorms, and that's again for late Wednesday afternoon and into Thursday morning before that front passes us to the south. Now the main headline continues to be more summertime warmth, and the warmest temperatures are expected for Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons ahead of that cold front. And today, what a day for the summertime out there. Temperatures throughout the 80s, mainly in the lower half of the 80s and eastern upper, and the middle to possibly upper 80s across much of northern lower Michigan. Again, lots of sunshine out there, although we are going to see some added clouds, especially up in the upper levels. But all in all, this is going to be a great summer day. And wrapping up all the hazards that we're looking for, a couple of chances for thunderstorms. First of all, one may be roaming eastern upper for late this afternoon and evening. And the other chance is going to be for all of northern Michigan for Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. Now, with any of this activity, nothing is expected to be severe. And again, the elevated fire danger, that is going to be for Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.